Hi, my name is Michelle, and I got my second stitch fix today. I asked for this box early because I was happy with the items that I got last time, but I only ended up keeping one item because everything was a little bit on the casual side. So hoping to not see a lot of t-shirts in here, but we'll see. Burrito, and I got a box. So this is GORJANA. Probably didn't say that right. Oh my, okay, so there's like a whole customer care line for this jewelry, which tells me that it's probably pretty expensive. So it has these little things. Do they move? Yes, they move. But there's a knot right there. What is this? This is the 41 Hawthorn Bogota dress in green, and it's a medium. It's pretty short. Seems short to me. First reaction, don't love the color. I mean, I don't really wear green. But the material's nice. It's 100% polyester, so this is probably going to be a pretty hot dress. I'm kind of happy to see burgundy in here again. What is this, a dress? Kind of looks like a dress. Oh, it's a KAILEIGH Lexy knit jumpsuit. Oof. I don't own any jumpsuits, so scary. Really just scares the crap out of me, but it feels really nice. Where do you even look for tags on a jumpsuit? Is it at the bottom? 95% polyester, 5% spandex. So that kind of, is this a machine wash? Machine wash, cool. Love the color. Don't know if I'm excited about it being a jumpsuit. I wish this was a dress instead. What is this? 9 BRITTON Ingrid cold shoulder runched detail knit dress, black medium. The material feels great. It feels just like kind of a basic go-to black dress, but then there's these. Maybe it actually will look cute. I have no idea. I have tried on a few cold shoulder tops at Marshall's and it just wasn't for me. But a lot of people are wearing them, so maybe I just need to give it another shot and try to be stylish. She did pick the right color for me. Black. This is the Charliza lace detail knit dress in navy. So this just seems like another basic rayon, nylon, spandex, and then cotton, nylon, rayon. This is a dry clean only dress. It's probably because of that lace detail. It feels stretchy though. The material feels stretchy. So I'm going to try these on and let you see them, and then we'll come back and go over the prices. Let me show you this necklace so you can see the detail. These move, and you have a couple of options of being able to hook it on. And simple. It doesn't feel like a really expensive material, expensive metal. So I'm wondering how it would hold up over time, but it does have its own customer care line for you to take care of it. So at least you have that. This is the Eliza J lace knit dress. Oh my gosh, it has pockets. I just realized. Wow. This is really nice. Let me stand up here so you can see the whole entire thing. Here's the blue dress with a little barrello. You know, and now that it's getting cooler, if I wanted to just have a little bit extra coverage, this actually looks pretty nice with it, and I think takes it to another level of being able to wear it to different things. The only thing that I really don't like about this dress is it's just a little not fancy enough. It's kind of plain. And the lace at the bottom is as fancy as you get on this dress, and because there isn't anything going on up here, to me it doesn't seem like a date dress. It seems more like fancy day at the office if you're presenting, or this is a dress for church or something like that. Okay, you guys, here it is. Here's the cold shoulder dress. So, the only thing that I don't like about this dress is the shoulders. This is actually a pretty large cold shoulder, and it feels weird. It just feels weird that my shoulder is literally cold, but my wrists aren't. And I think because of how large this is, it just makes it kind of seem like you're wearing long gloves with this fitted dress. It's really too bad because I do like the fit of this. I am wearing a slimmer for this one because it's very body hugging. I just don't know. I don't know about this. Green dress. It's on the darker version of green, so I think it's okay. I don't really love this detail very much. This would be a good spring dress, so again, this color to me is not a winter dress, but maybe it is, you know, because maybe you could just wear red tights and a red sweater with it, and Christmas, you look like Christmas. It is that Christmassy kind of green. Okay guys, here's the jumper. I think that the burgundy does look good with my complexion. Give you a little bit more of a view, hopefully. This is actually a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. This is a medium. It has pockets. That's fun. I think that you could wear something over it pretty easily. Excuse not having, I don't have a super nice blazer. This one's like by Miley Cyrus and from Walmart. But a blazer would look nice with this. Okay, this is a pricey box actually. The whole entire box is $353. Again, pretty expensive box. If I kept all 5 items, pretty significant discount, $88.25 off. Brings this subtotal down to $264.75 minus your purchase credit, $20. Brings the box to $244.75. My American Express card has an offer this fall that if you spend $50 in one transaction with Stitch Fix, you will get $25 credit back. So check your American Express cards if you have one. But the only item that would qualify for that would be this blue dress, because the cost of everything else, once you deduct the $20, would be under 50 bucks. So it has to be in a single transaction. So if I take that into consideration, that would bring my total, I can't do math in my head very well, guys, $93 for this blue dress. I'm going to take a look to see if I can maybe find it cheaper anywhere else for under $93, because I'm considering if I kept this, get the $25 credit from American Express, that makes it a $93 dress. If I can't find it for cheaper than $93, I'm probably going to keep this blue dress. Well, thanks for watching, and again, I'm not really great at these videos, so thanks for being really nice to me. Bye. Okay guys, I need your help. I did find that blue dress being sold at Nordstrom right now for $82 and some change with free shipping. And I did contact Stitch Fix about it, but unfortunately they're unable to make a price adjustment because it is a sale price from Nordstrom. So I asked for a couple more days to keep the box so I can make a decision. Should I use that American Express credit to buy this dress, bringing the total from $118 to $93, or save that credit for another box and maybe use my $20 styling fee to get another item? I'm thinking about the red jumper. Let me know what you think. I need feedback to help me make this decision. Thanks a lot. Bye.